how to make a game engine. But what is a game engine? A game engine is a piece of software specifically designed to aid in the development of games. However, it is much more than that, and much less than that. On the smaller and simpler side of it, a game engine, or just a graphics engine, is just a program that can represent data in some sort of way. This is most common in showing 3D or 2D models or sprites on the screen with some audio and some logic in games. Game engines can be used to add special effects in movies and videos. They can be used to create plans for architecture or ads. Imagine it like a video editor. We take raw footage, effects, text, audio, and more, and put them together to make one long video. Like putting code, 3D or 2D models, UI, audio together to make a game. It's just a way to show some data in another way. They do have a lot more bells and whistles, like Unreal Engine has Nano, and normally an editor, which has a GUI. However, the engine editor is not the engine. The engine is a separate thing. However, it does use the engine. The engine is normally a DLL or equivalent on other platforms that's loaded into an editor and the project you're working on, like a game, where the engine provides tools to help with rendering, logging, error handling, math, and a lot more. A game engine, at its core, is just a library of tools that your game uses to function, and it is shipped with. The runtime library has the engine's core functions. This includes rendering support, which can use Falcon, DirectX, OpenGL, or other graphics APIs. A graphics API is like an engine. It's a group of libraries that are just for rendering. All they are is just a system that you create and bind shaders and buffers, like a vertex buffer and a pixel shader, which just tells the API how to draw something. Then you call draw and repeat with something else until everything you want to draw is drawn. And you present the finished image to the screen. There's a bit more stuff that goes on into each step, but simply that is it. The engine itself does all the math and adds extra functionality for the developer. The reason I made this video is to show you the basics of how a game engine works, and to tell you that this is the first part of a series where I try to make a game engine. I've already made some progress that I will show you in the next video.